ATR aircraft, a leader in regional aviation. A peep into the history of this leader by Untold Facts from Morale Edutech. ATR, Aerei da Trasporto Regionale, or Avions de Transport Regional, is a European aircraft manufacturer known for its turboprop regional airliners. Established in 1981 as a joint venture between two major aerospace companies, Airbus and Leonardo, ATR specializes in producing efficient, reliable, and cost-effective short-haul aircraft. ATR's product line is primarily centered around two major aircraft families. ATR 42, introduced in 1985 with a capacity of 40 to 50 passengers, having range up to 800 nautical miles. Ideal for short regional routes and airports with shorter runways. ATR 72, introduced in 1989 with capacity of 68 to 78 passengers and range of around 900 nautical miles. Popular with regional carriers for its low operating costs and high efficiency. Both aircraft use twin turboprop engines, typically the Pratt Whitney Canada PW100 series, known for fuel efficiency and low emissions. Advantages: fuel efficiency. Turboprops are more fuel efficient than jets on short routes, making ATR aircraft popular in environmentally conscious markets. Short takeoff and landing, suitable for remote or small airports. Lower operating costs, ideal for low demand or emerging regional markets. ATR aircraft are used in over 100 countries by more than 200 airlines. The aircraft are particularly popular in Asia-Pacific, Africa, and Latin America, where regional connectivity is essential. ATR continues to modernize its aircraft with initiatives like ATR 42-600S, a short takeoff and landing variant, enhanced avionics and cabin comfort. Exploration of hybrid electric propulsion technologies for a greener future. ATR aircraft have carved a niche in regional aviation by focusing on reliability, efficiency, and sustainability. As air travel evolves, ATR's commitment to innovation and environmental responsibility positions it as a key player in the future of regional air transport. Thanks for being with us. Please share and subscribe to our channel.